SRMB Steel strives to deliver to its customers top-line quality products and best services. In lieu of the current pandemic COVID-19, SRMB is ensuring all the materials get delivered to its customers with the required care by taking up the following precautionary initiatives. All SRMB steel materials get manufactured at state-of-the-art automatic steel plants, where packaging and loading is mostly automated, ensuring minimum human intervention. SRMB Steel's We Care initiative observes strict COVID-19 precautions for safety of its employees. The loaded materials from the SRMB factory are unloaded at channel partners' warehouses and retail counters where precautionary measures are undertaken, like sanitization of labors and ensuring mask is worn all the time. The same care is observed across all our dealer outlets. At SRMB, you can purchase our world-class steel materials like SRMB TMT bars and SRMB Real Edge steel sections for windows with full peace of mind. And yes, at SRMB, we care.